guys, tell him how to do it.
Go.
You gotta follow me when I do this, okay? Ready? You have to do it. Come on, it's a race.
Oh.
Now you gotta get on the same side and do the doggy paddle.
The worm.
You gotta do the doggy paddle now.
Wait a minute, wait, let's go over there.
Hurry up, Kim.
Alright, doggy paddle, go.
There's no sound effects, Kim. That's not what dogs do. Oh, Michael's winning.
I'm not going nowhere. Get in the pool.
Okay, now what crazy thing do we have to do?
Freestyle.
Freestyle.
I said freestyle, not underwater.
Whatever.
Michael's got the freestyle. Is that funny?
What?
Now underwater.
I look up and there he is.